I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Lake Hennessy. And welcome back to 2016 BMW S1000RR is out here finally on the streets, you guys. And I'm running solo today. Well, I rode with a couple buddies this morning up to Middleton. We had some lunch, but I broke off. I got some stuff to do at home. So I thought I would give you guys a little vlog, take you guys out to my jam out here in Lake Hennessy, heading out to Total Rock, give you guys a little ride and give you guys some updates. I know videos have been scarce, so my apologies. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the Laguna Seca videos on the KTM. But just want to give you guys some updates and really what's going on, and that's kind of what most of these videos have been ending up being, is updates, because I'm so scarce in uploading, so my apologies. But it's been, the last 2 weeks have been really crazy, and so let's just start with Nikki. She's doing very well, and some of you guys have reached out that follow Nikki Cycles out on Instagram. You guys know that she was involved in a small spill on the Hypermotard at Buttonwillow 2 weeks ago, and she's doing very well. She did break her neck. She broke her C2 vertebra, but neck brace for 8 weeks, and then she'll be healed up. So thank God, and you know, very lucky that that's all of the injuries she sustained. So speedy recovery to her, and can't wait to get back and riding with her. She can't wait to get back in the saddle, and we've got some repairs to do to the Multistrada, but we've got the Hypermotard. I don't know why I call it a Multistrada all the time, and Nikki's like, maybe it's because you want a Multistrada. Like, I don't know about that. But yeah, so she's doing well. So wish her a speedy recovery over at Nikki Cycles on Instagram. I think she'd love to hear some love from you guys. The KTM is in the shop getting its first service done, so that's why I'm not on the KTM. I would have loved to have been on the S1000R, but the S1000R is currently at A&S in dry storage because I bought a bike from them last weekend. That video is to come, but I couldn't ride 2 bikes home, so Randy over at A&S was nice enough to tell me that he'd deliver it out to me, and I ended up riding the new bike home. So just had a good ride there. So this is the first time back out on the S1000RR. If you guys don't know, if you guys haven't caught it, I did sell the 22 S1000RR back in August, actually. The bike was just too much to this, and you know, I love this bike, and it's amazing enough. I was a few seconds faster on that 22 on the track, but I wasn't trying to break any records or do any racing or anything like that. So, and this bike is fucking blazing fast anyways. Stay tuned. I think I'm gonna give you guys a little bonus ride video out from the Glory Hole down to Lake Solano. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, so this is, you know, I bought this as like a track bike, and I was going to convert it to a full track bike, but just decided to keep it as street faring. So if I wanted to take it out on the street, I can get it out on the street. You guys can notice I got the Rizoma stealth mirrors on it, so that's very nice to have some type of mirror, and then get out to the track, I can just flip those things down. The great mirrors. I know they're costly, but if you're going to the track quite often, it's definitely worth it, because just flip those things down and know, yeah, they're not great visibility, but they do the job. So stay tuned. New bike delivery has come. I need to get out on a ride with you guys. I've already put a few hundred miles on it. Still in the shop. She punctured her radiator a couple months ago, and man, it's just, I can't believe how long it's taken that shop to get her bike repaired. But hopefully we'll get that out on the channel soon. Double R Fest finally coming to the West Coast. Nate Kern, I can't wait. I'll be attending, I believe it's like the 13th and 14th of December at Chuckwalla Raceway. It'll be my first Double R Fest, and we'll be taking the Double R, this one, and of course the Single R for a two-day event down there with Nate Kern. So definitely looking forward to that. That will be our next track day. So hopefully I can get some street rides in for you guys. Yeah, so that's kind of just a quick little update on what's going on over with us in the garage. I don't, you know, nothing. Work is the last 2 weeks. I've been with Nikki close to the last 2 weeks, just because, you know, I'm just kind of had a hard time with everything that happened. I won't get into the details of the after accident, but I was with her the full time and everything like that, and it just you know, a couple weeks for that to sink in, and just the visuals of what I had, kind of the flashback styles, has been it's been a little bit rough. So stop here at Turtle Rock and give you guys a little outro. But yeah, it's just I'm just trying to get back into it, you guys, and just get back to work and get back to videos with you guys and whatnot. But whew, well, the S1000 Double R, God, I love this bike. It's such an amazing bike. But stay tuned, because I'm going to try to give you guys a little bonus ride through my little spot at Barry S after the glory hole. So stay tuned for that. This fairing broke. The little tab broke, which is common. I've got to fix that. That was flapping in one of the videos. But here we are at Turtle Rock, and there we are, the Double R. Thank you guys for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content. I'm going to try to get some stuff up for you guys, I promise. But thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for the love. Make sure you guys head over, say hello to Nikki Cycles, give her a follow on Instagram, and show her some love. She can definitely use it. And she, you know, she's sticking on these bikes, so it's definitely going to be nice for you guys to give her a little love over there. So if you can, shoot over there, say hello to her, and besides that, we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.